So first, you're going to sign in using your account in thatquiz.com. So click login. Now here you can see the classes that you created in this account. To create your classes for the COT, you need to click new class. So for example, your class is section GH. You're going to input the names of the students here. Now, if your assessment is group assessment, so you can name the group 1, group 2, and so on. Once you're done with the groups or class, click save. And then, as you can see, you can click or find the section or classes that you created here. Now, what you're going to do is you need to design the test. Okay, so at the left part, this one, under other test, design. Okay, you click that one. Okay, so these are the questions that I created before. Now, I'm going to teach you how to create your questions here. Okay, so you can create a matching type of questions or multiple choice questions. So I'm going to click questions because that's the multiple choice one. Okay, now the test name, I'm going to name it as AP COT quiz. Okay, so in this part, question, you can enter the questions here, and then you can type here the correct answer and then the rest of the choices. Okay, so I'm going to send you the questions that can be found in the COT. Okay, so these are the questions. What you're going to do is just copy paste this one to that quiz. Example, okay, this is the question number 1. And then you're going to paste that here. Make sure to put the correct answer in this column. And then you can paste the rest of the choices. So thatquiz.org will automatically rearrange the questions based on the setting that you choose. Okay, so let's say for example, I am done with this question. Okay, so you can also expand this to read properly the questions and the choices. And you can add the rest of the questions here. Okay, if the buttons are knocking, then you can add more. Just click add more. And once you are done with everything, please choose if what type of order do you want. This is the sequencing and the exam. So I want fix. If you want to fix your sequencing, then number 1 will appear. The number 1 will appear in the exam as number 1. But if you choose random, then the questions will be rumbled. Okay, so I'm going to choose rumbled. So that's random. Just click save. Okay, now you can see here that in the design part, the exams that you created. So this was the one that I created earlier. Okay, now to assign the quiz in this section, GH, make sure to click the section and then click design. And then you check the box APCOT quiz. Next thing that you need to do is assign. Okay, again, you go to the section that you created and then you click design. You check the exam that you wanted to assign in the section and click assign. And once you click this, it will create a code. And that code will be used in for your students to access the exam. Okay, so you need to remind the student that the test code is sensitive case, meaning if the alphabet or letter is written in small letter, then they need to also copy that one. It should be also encoded in capital letter. Okay, so you can also edit this if you want to, let's say for example, assign the exam, okay, today. So meaning the exam will open today. And you can also put an expiration. Let's say for example, your exam will expire tomorrow. Or you can simply choose never expires. So meaning that the students can access this any time without deadline. And then you can also put a time limit. Okay, let's say for example, you will have 5 minutes. Okay, then make sure to click this one, show detailed results when finished, so that the students will be able to find out what numbers they got the wrong answers. Okay, and then once you are done with this, you click save. Okay, now you're going to share this. So there are two options wherein your students can access the test. Okay, it's either you use this code, you let the students go to thatquiz.org, and then in the lower part, okay, so let's say for example, I'm going to, access this exam. So in the point of view of the students, this is what they will see. So I'm going to log out first my account here. Okay, so log out. So this is what the students will see when they access that quiz letter. Now they can go here in the lower part. You have a test code. Okay, you enter the test code, you paste it here, or the students should encode it here. Once done, click enter. Okay, now this is the layout that they're going to see now. Okay, and then these are the students, and they can see here in this corner their scores and the clock, the timer. Okay, let's say for example this one. Okay, now after they answer the test, they can see their score, and then they'll be able also to find out which question or what is the correct answer of the questions that were in they got the wrong answer. All right, so that's how it is. Now let's go back, let's sign in. Okay, so now we're back. So again, that was the first method that you can use to let your students access that quiz exam. Now the second one is you're going to go here to section that you created, to the section that you created, and then always click design, and then click this, and wait. Okay, so let's have here C test. Okay, so this is the assigned test now. Now you have to click this and copy the URL to generate a QR code. Okay, now you access or you go to bit.ly. If you don't have a bit.ly account yet, you can create by signing up through your email, and this is only for free. So next thing you do is create new. You shorten the link, click that, and then paste. You paste here. You write the title, and then you customize. Okay, once done, you create QR code. You click that one, and then there you can customize the color of the QR code, but it's better to choose black. Okay, so here you can now click create your link. Okay, once done, you can view the link details, and then go here, download the PNG file of your QR code, and you will use this QR code. You paste this in your PowerPoint because that's the one that you're going to show to your student so that they can access easily that quiz website. Okay, now once done, you can always go back here and choose the links you want to share with your students. So here, that's it. Now once you are done sharing your QR code or your link, you can always check here in the observe button who are the students who was able to access your exam. So you can always see if they are still answering or they are done with answering the exam. So just click it here and show it to the class. That's all. Thank you.